KENSURES here with another video review. This time it's an El Nino shave. We're in Southern California and we're having what's called the El Nino, the storms that are hitting one after another. We actually had 2 inches of rain yesterday in Southern California, which for this place is amazing. I think we usually get like a foot of rain a year if we're lucky. And with that 2 inches of rain, we had a 4.8 earthquake on the Richter scale. So it was an interesting day. Anyhow, we're going to try the Dr. Squatch soap again, because last time I don't think I took long enough getting it ready. But I've been working this thing for a long time today, so hopefully it works real good today. We'll find out. And I'm using Tech Razor. I had really good success with that Tech Razor. So let's try out this Dr. Squatch and we'll see how it works. Lathered up pretty good last time. I just couldn't seem to keep the lather going. It kind of just dissolved, but hopefully this time it goes a little better. I've been working this thing for a couple of minutes now, so let's see what we get. All right, and we're going to use the Gillette Tech Razor. I let that soap bloom for a few minutes this time too. It is slowly dissolving though. Maybe it's supposed to do that. Good first pass though. That's for sure. It's kind of funny, 2 inches of rain in a day and a half and so many car wrecks on the freeways. Flooding, unbelievable. The rest of the country's probably laughing. And then to top it off with an earthquake. You wouldn't know it from the accent, but which is gone now, but I came from northern England. They'll be laughing at 2 inches of rain. And everybody on the East Coast, you're getting floods, my goodness. All right. Well, it worked. Better than last time. That's for sure. All right. Nice shave. Nice shave. I like it. All right. So what are we going to try today? We'll try some fine. I think the best part of the shave is that burn. All right, so it worked good. Well, you know, this Tech Razor, really happy with it. I'm gonna have to rotate this a lot more often. And the Dr. Squatch, okay, second time was much better than the first time. Hopefully it's me this time and I've done something better than I did last time. I wasn't as impatient. But a great shave. And a great El Nino shave, and we're looking forward to more storms here in Southern California. So until next time, it's KENSURES.